Free English books help you learn English one story at a time with Alford Books. Presenting Humi Bird, a humble tale. Birds can only fly when they don't show off their wings. Once upon a time, there is a young hummingbird named Humi. Humi sees a peacock staring at its reflection. The peacock said to itself, "I am the prettiest bird there is." The proud peacock struts and admires its own feathers. Humi flies home and asks its parents a question. "Am I nice looking?" Humi's parents answer, "Yes, you have beautiful green and blue feathers." Humi responds, "But I am not as good looking as a peacock." Dad instructs, "Peacocks are beautiful, but why compare yourself to others? The one you should compare yourself to is you." Humi questions, "Huh?" Mom replies, "Every day become a better hummingbird than you were yesterday. The real race is to improve yourself." Dad grins. "Have confidence in your own abilities and strengths without bragging about it. It's called being humble." Mom reminds Humi, "We hummingbirds flap our wings the fastest of any bird, but we don't go around boasting about it." Dad nods. "We are able to get the sweetest nectar with our special shaped noses. Even a peacock can't do that." A few days later, Humi eats lunch at a large flower. A cunning fox stares at Humi. Fox said to Humi, "My, what a beautiful bird you are." Humi replies, "Thank you." Fox asks, "Are your wings as pretty as that bird over there?" Humi answers, "It doesn't matter." The disappointed fox walks away from Humi and towards another bird. The sly fox asks, "My, what beautiful wings you have. Are they as pretty as the hummingbird over there?" The boasting bird replies, "Oh yes, my wings are much prettier. I will show you." The bird stops flapping to show off its wings. Suddenly, the bird falls from the sky right into the waiting fox's mouth. Boom. "That was an easy lunch," said the fool fox to itself. Humi thinks while flying straight home, "I cannot fly while watching my own wings." The back cover. Humi Bird learns that you can only fly while not watching your own wings. The end.